let's have a look here. So basically, yeah, when I power on, you're gonna see error code's gonna pop up. See, error code 1. So basically, in order to figure this out, I'm gonna have to diagnose the whole bike because I don't even know really what's working or what's not. So anyway, we'll stop this for now and we'll come back in a little bit. But I think I'm gonna have to literally take apart, like, go through the whole wiring, get all the accessories off the battery, do a whole inspection from top to bottom. So anyway, yeah, so I didn't manage to fix the error code, but at least the bike is running. Hold on here. See, it's still flashing error code 1, but we'll get to that later. Now, obviously, there's a lot of work to get done here on this bike, so let's go through the settings. I know it's showing me the error code again. Error code 1. Okay. But everything is working, so. Okay. PO1, PO2, PO3, PO4. That's a timeout. That's my first pedal assist, second pedal assist, third pedal assist. I don't know what that is. PO09. Okay. 0, P2, 5. A lot of settings here. Okay, very important to get that back to where it was. Alright, so that's that. Alright, so since we're gonna try to figure out what's going on with the error mode here on the controller, we're going to remove the speedometer, which is pretty cool because if you look at it, it tracks all of your, if you go into the recents, like it'll track your, see, it'll track your, average speed, 37 kilometers an hour, depending on where you're riding, right? So 103 kilometers an hour. That's flying downhill though. That's crazy, but anyway. So yeah, like it even shows you like exactly where you went, like on the maps. You could look right up on the maps. It's pretty cool. I really, really like this app. The only thing is, it's not in sync with my other phone. So, but anyway, that's that. So that needs to be removed. These need to be removed. The lights need to be removed. These USB lights need to be removed. That needs to be removed. Mirrors need to be removed. Battery needs to be removed. Fenders, chain guard, pedals, maybe even the tires, possibly the handlebars. There's going to be a lot of work to do here, but anyway, that's it for now. Okay, so that being said, what I'm going to do actually, because I used this here stand before, and believe it or not, I ran the wiring down through and I made an actual mic stand out of this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this apart and I am going to remove this and I'm going to construct myself a phone stand so I can properly record my work, because holding this phone isn't working, and until I get OBS Studio set up with my computer right now, this is basically what I'm stuck on. So yeah, remove. It's very versatile. I should be able to do lots with this. So we'll remove that, and then we'll remove this here, and we'll try to mount that on there somehow. Okay, and to remove this mount, I believe I just gotta turn this here enough times till it falls out of play. like this. There we go. The mount is removed. That's simple. So anyway, that's it for now, and we'll see you on the next post. Hey guys, Joseph Good and Curse the Wizard here, and as I was saying earlier, um, I was tired of trying to record myself doing my work with my phone at the same time, almost impossible. So, um, what I did with the mic stand that I had made, I turned it into a phone stand. So I'll show you guys how I done that, and you could see in the earlier video what I used. So yeah, this here was a mic stand, and now it's all set up so I can actually turn on the camera, as you can see, and I can also I can rotate it however I like. I can turn it around this way, up, whatever. So yeah, so that's how easy it is to be creative with this.